Hi friends, this is Rajesh K. Singh inviting you on my YouTube channel OG Global and you are watching OG Bulletin. In this section, as indicated by me, we are going to discuss about the recent national and international news respectively. So first I will begin with the national news. Before start, let me tell you that we took the news from online sources. India recorded the biggest spike in death toll related to coronavirus infection. At least 265 new deaths were reported in last 24 hours. The total number of fatalities due to COVID-19 infection rose tremendously. Maharashtra alone accounted for 50% of the total fatalities in India. BJP chief JP Nadda recently slammed Rahul Gandhi for criticizing Modi government's handling of the COVID-19 situation, saying that the Congress leader has limited understanding of the situation. Indian Supreme Court this week coordinated that no fares for travel be charged from migrant workers abandoned the nation over because of the COVID-19 induced lockdown. The endeavors made by government to abstain from taking care of everything of the special trains reserved to carry migrant laborers home since May 1st raises questions whether it will be followed in obvious soul. India is likely to move in the fifth phase of the lockdown with less restrictions as your Union Home Minister Amit Shah held talks with the Chief Minister of the states in this regard. Apart from this, the Ministry of Education is also working on crafting new strategies to reopen the schools. In India, the GDP growth numbers from the first 3 quarters have also been revised downwards to 5.2 from 5.6% in between April to June, 4.4% from 5.1% in between July to September, and 4.1% from 4.7% in between October to December. A number of protests and campaigns flares across the US after Minnesotan cop Derek Chauvin was charged with third-degree murder and manslaughter, which caused the death of George Floyd, an unarmed black man. US President Donald Trump recently announced that America is terminating its association with WHO as he blamed it and China for the death and destructions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic across the globe. Recent report says that Angela Merkel has rejected Trump's invite to the G7 summit in Washington as she planned to monitor the spread of coronavirus before committing to meeting. Keeping the coronavirus pandemic in mind, the summit was put hold till September. President Trump calls India, Russia, Australia and South Korea to be the member of G7 summit. Twitter had recently hidden Donald Trump's tweets regarding George Floyd deaths, claiming that it is glorified violence. Trump took Twitter on Friday saying, "When the looting starts, the shooting starts," in reference to nationwide protests that followed the deadly arrest of George Floyd, an unarmed black man in Minneapolis. China undermines UK over facilitating identification rules for the Hong Kong residents. China said it claims all authority to take comparing countermeasures after the UK government said it could after Hong Kongers' British citizenship if Beijing proceeds with the national security law. That's all the today's OG Bulletin. See you in the next OG Bulletin and please subscribe the channel OG Global. Take care and be safe. Goodbye.